Happy morning, children. How are you all? I hope you are fine and safe. What is our today's class, children? Yes, good, very good. Social science. In this session, what we are going to do? Any guess? Yes. From this session, we are going to revise our chapters one by one for our Terminal 1 examination. I hope you all score full marks in social science, children. It is a very, very easy subject. Okay, children, let us start. Okay. Before entering into a session, will you able to remember or recall your portions, children? Social science? Yes. Chapter 2, 3 and 4. What is your portion? Chapter 2, 3 and 4. In this session, we are going to revise our chapter 2. In this lesson, I am going to teach you the possible one-word questions for you because it is very, very useful for you in your to attend the questions in your terminal 1 examination, children, because 50 marks you are going to write. For all the 50 marks, only multiple choice questions. Options will be there. Read the question properly and mark the answers. Okay, children, what is our today's date? Let us start, children. 16/9/20. What is our topic name? The Earth, a living planet. The Earth, a living planet. Earth is our home. Yes or no, children? Yes, various types of living beings, not only humans, birds, animals, trees, plants, they all survive in our Earth. Earth is the only living planet in the solar system. What is the shape of our Earth, children? Yes, what is the shape of our Earth? Earth is spherical in shape. Earth is spherical in shape. Earth is made up of three types of things. What are all the three things? Yes, land, water and air. Land, water and air. Okay. How many percentage of water and how many percentage of land is covered by the earth? Yes. 70 percentage of water and 30 percentage of land. How many percentage of water? 70 and land 30 percentage. This is also one of the reason it is also called blue or watery planet. Blue or watery planet. Children, no need to memorize anything, children. Just listen what I am saying. Okay. Nearly 70 percentage of the earth is covered with water. From the earth looks like a round blue marble. Why? Due to the presence of water in large quantity. Okay, 70 percentage. Earth is also called what planet? Blue or watery planet. The next one is lithosphere. What is that? Lithosphere. The upper uneven surface of the earth is known as lithosphere. What is lithosphere? The upper uneven surface. The best example I told you while taking the class itself. Yes or no, children? Will you able to remember that one? Yes, mountains, plateaus, plains, rivers and deep oceans. Whether it remains same, children? No, it is uneven surface of the earth. Okay, children, shall we move to the next one? In this page, what are all the points I told you? Earth is our home for all the living beings. Next, what is the shape of our earth? Spherical. Earth is made up of three things. What are the three things? Land, water and air. Next, how many percentage of water is covered in the earth? 70 percentage and land by 30 percentage. It is also one of the reason earth is also called as blue or watery planet. The next one is lithosphere. What is lithosphere? The upper uneven surface of the earth is called as lithosphere. Best example for this is mountains, plateaus, plains. Shall we move to the next page? Yes. The next one is atmosphere. What is that? Atmosphere. The earth is surrounded by layer of air. The earth is surrounded by layer of air is called atmosphere. How many? There are nearly 21 percentage of oxygen gas which is required by living things to breathe. Okay, children. Atmosphere. The earth is surrounded by layer of air. Okay. What is the next one? Hydro. Hydro, what I told you, hydro means water, that is water bodies. Nearly 70 percentage of the earth is covered with water and the remaining 30 percentage is land. Here, seas, lakes. What are the water bodies? Seas, lakes, oceans, ponds, rivers. These are the water bodies. Okay, children. Hydrosphere is nothing but presence of water bodies. Here one fact is there. What is this? Biosphere. Biosphere is the region between the surface of atmosphere of the earth occupied by living organisms. Biosphere is nothing but occupied by living organisms. It is also one layer occupied by living organisms. Okay, next one, movement of the earth. What are the two types of movements I told you? Very good, children. Rotation and revolution. Rotation. The earth rotates on its axis once in 24 hours. How many hours? 24 hours. This one is another name. What is the another name for rotation? Daily motion. What is that? Daily motion. And then axis. The earth rotates on its axis from which direction? West to east. Which direction, children? West to east. The next one is revolution. The earth revolves around the earth in how many days? 365 and quarter days, that is 1 year. It also gets another one name. What is that? Annual motion. What is that? Annual motion. Next one is, which is the only natural satellite of the earth? Moon. The moon is the only natural satellite of the earth, and it also revolves around the earth once in how many days? 28 days. How many days? 28 days. In this page, what we recall, children? Atmosphere, that is layer of air. Hydrosphere, presence of water bodies on the earth. Biosphere, biosphere is a layer occupied by living organisms. And the next one is movement of the earth. How many types of movements? Rotation and revolution. Rotation, it takes 24 hours, and another name, daily motion. Here, revolution, 365 and quarter days. What is the another name for this? Is annual motion. And the earth rotates on its axis in which direction? West to east. In which direction? West to east. Which is the only natural satellite of the earth? Moon. How many days it will take? Yes, 28 days. Okay, children. Yes, what is the next one? The earth, a suitable planet for living beings. Yes or no? The earth is the one and only planet which is suitable for living organisms. Why? All living beings, they need sunlight, air, water, everything. These are possible things present only in our earth. Okay, children? All living things require air, water, food and sunlight. The sun gives us heat, light and energy. The sun rays take nearly 8 minutes to reach our earth. It takes 8 minutes to reach our earth. Okay, children, because of this reasons, earth is the suitable planet only for the earth is the only planet for living beings. What is the next one? Horizon. What is the next one, children? Horizon. What is that? Horizon. Look at the given picture. When we look around the earth, we are able to see only a small part of the earth. The earth looks flat to our eyes. The sea and land appear to meet at the other end. See, children, the line at which the earth's surface, and the sky appear to meet is known as horizon. The line at which the earth's surface and the sky appear to meet is known as horizon. Actually, the sky and earth never meet. Okay, children, next, what is the shape of a earth? What is the shape of a earth? Is the earth is spherical in shape. Next one is, what is the model of our earth? Globe. What is the model of our earth? Globe. Shall we move to the next one, children? Yes. What is this? Who proved that the earth had no edges, children? Copernicus and Aristotle. Who proved? Copernicus and Aristotle proved that the earth had no edges. And who proved that the earth is round in shape? Ferdinand Magellan. Who proved? Ferdinand Magellan. Copernicus and Aristotle proved that the earth had no edges, and Ferdinand Magellan proved that the earth is round in shape. Okay, children, I hope you all understood this lesson. Shall we move to the next one? Yes. Multiple choice questions. Which planet is called the blue planet? Is Earth. And next one, what is the percentage of water on the Earth? 70 percentage. What do we call the upper layer of the Earth? Lithosphere. How much time does the Earth takes to complete one revolution? 365 and quarter days. Who proved 500 years ago that the Earth is round in shape? Ferdinand Magellan. The Earth is surrounded by water. The Earth is spherical in shape. The sun rays take 8 minutes to reach the Earth. The Earth rotates on its axis in 24 hours. The model of the Earth is called globe. Okay, children. Next, true or false? The layer of air surrounded by the Earth is called hydrosphere. No. The layer of air means atmosphere. The Earth is not the only planet that has life. No. Earth is the only planet that has life. Nearly 30% of the Earth is covered with water. No. False. Nearly 70% of Earth is covered with water. The next one, the Earth moves around the moon. No. False. The next one, the surface of the Earth is even. No. Never. It is also false. What is the next one? Match it. Lithosphere. Lithosphere, upper hard surface of the Earth. Hydrosphere, hydro means I told you water, the area of water. Atmosphere means air, layer of air surrounding the Earth. Biosphere, the region of living beings. Okay. Next one, why do we call the Earth a living planet? Earth is the only planet that have suitable things like air, water, sunlight, food, everything. What do you mean by horizon? The line at which the Earth's surface and the sky appear to meet is known as horizon. What is atmosphere? The layer of air surrounded the Earth is known as atmosphere. What is the percentage of water on the Earth? 70%. Okay, children. Then how can you prove that the Earth is round in shape? They traveled. The sailors, they traveled and they proved that the Earth is round in shape. And who proved that the Earth is round in shape? Ferdinand Magellan. Okay, children. What is the next one? Hard words. The first one is solar system. Next one is spherical. Third one, watery planet. Fourth one, lithosphere. Next one, atmosphere. What is that? Atmosphere. What is that? Sixth one, hydrosphere. What is that? Hydrosphere. Next one is horizon. What is that? Horizon. Eighth one, astronauts. Ninth one, Portuguese. And 10th one is destination. The next one, multiple choice questions. The Earth is surrounded by a layer of air called atmosphere. How much time does the Earth take to complete one rotation? 24 hours. The Earth is dash in shape, spherical in shape. Now we are entering into a homework part, children. Okay. What is a homework? Read and write the hard words and 1 mark questions as home test. Okay, children. Thank you. We will revise chapter 3 in our next session. Okay, children. Thank you.